Hi, this is Miss Serratis, and in this video, we are going to look at the LED grid, which is under activity 1.3. So you've got to go almost all the way down to the end of section 1.3 until you get to where it says LED grid practice exercises optional. So we're going to do this because I think it's important you understand how a grid is labeled. So if you click on this link here, and it takes you to this section here, and I want to just do a little background of what I'm talking about. So this here is your MakeCode website, and I've got this show LED. Let me just clear this. So if I were to suddenly draw a dot in the middle, this dot has a location. It's got a coordinate because there is this whole coordinate system going on the microbit, but it needs to know like the name of each of these little dots. So if I see these, all of these little areas are shaded in, but these areas all have a name. This way, you know, when you click on that one or unclick on it, it knows that this is the one that needs to go away. So this is going to give you a little bit of practice. So it says, notice that the X and Y coordinates on the grid on the image are not arranged like a graph that you're familiar with from math class. And to be honest with you, as a math person, this definitely got me very confused because I was used to, okay, so this here is going to have the axis at this point here. This is going to be 0, 0. So this here would be 1. This would be 2. This would be 3. This would be 4. And then I would continue on. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I found out that with the microbit, it actually works in reverse. They don't start in this corner. They start in this corner at the top. And so this circle here is 0, 0. So it's still, they do still start with the X's. So the X's go this way and the Y's go this way. So you do still start labeling with the X first and then the Y. But this here would be 0, 0. This would be 1, 0, because see the Y is 0. This would be 2, 0, etc. So to try this example out, drag, where would the 0, 4 be? Well, 0 is the X and 4 is the Y. So I'd have to put this A right here, and it'll tell me if I'm correct at the end. That's what's bad. It won't tell you until the end. So what you're going to do is there are 10 exercises for you to try. So I'll give you a hint on this one too. So there's the X is 4, and then the Y is 4, and that would go right here. So what you want to do is keep doing them. There are 10 of them. And when you're finished, you will hit the submit button and it'll tell you how many you got right or wrong. You need to keep doing it until you get at least 80% correct. So as you can see, I have gotten 10 out of 10 correct. You have to get a minimum of 8 out of 10 correct. So, and it does show you, the answers and stuff like that. So now that you've completed it, I need you to take a screenshot of your work and then add that, upload it to Google Classroom so I can see. So I'm attaching a video on how to take a screenshot with your Chromebook. Have fun.